Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Instagram post with Canva. So now I'm inside of my dashboard inside of Canva, and we are going to create a design for an Instagram post. So Instagram sizing is typically 1080 by 1080, but Canva makes it really easy to be able to create graphics. They've got a lot of pre-made templates, a lot of pre-made sizes, and so what you can do is here from the dashboard you can actually type in what you want to create a graphic for. So in this case we're looking at Instagram. You can select any of the suggested. Our choice is going to be this Instagram post, but it also has Instagram story sizing as well. So you can do it from the search bar here. You can also choose to kind of scroll down. You can click on social media where it has different options here as well. And then you can even enter your own custom dimensions in. 1080 by 1080 here would be the sizing for Instagram. And then finally you can even click on create a design up here. Search for what you want. You also get the button to choose your custom dimensions as well. So in this case we're creating our Instagram post, so I'm going to go ahead and select that template here. So the design that I'm going to create today, just to show you the example here, is a post for around 4th of July time. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use one of Instagram's pre-made template to get this design here. So we'll jump back into our new document here. And then in the side here you have your templates tab. You can scroll through and explore the various templates that they have to offer. For this one, I'm going to scroll down, and then it is under our summer Instagram posts here, and we're going to go ahead and select this template. When you hover over a template, you've got these 3 dots. It will kind of tell you what the template's about. It will give you, just show you some of the keywords and various things about it there. So you can explore that as well. So we have our template here, and then what's nice about template is you can change the various aspects of the colors to kind of match your brand to what you are going for. So for this color palette that I'm using, if you're not aware of, Canva has a tool, a color palette generator tool. You can upload an image, or you can choose to explore some of their color combinations. And then the color combination that I decided upon is their winter warmth color combination collection. I wanted a little bit more of kind of a darker, less vibrant red and blue. So we're going to go after these colors here. And so what's nice is if you hover over it, you can copy that color, and then we'll come into our design here. And so to change the color, you'll just click on the element, select the color here, and then go ahead and paste it in, and then you can select the color. And then we'll do the same thing for the blue as well, copying it, bringing it into the design here. We'll select this element, changing the color, pasting that color there, and selecting it here. Okay, so we've changed our elements, and then now we're going to change the background color. So in this case we're going to do a nice gray color. So we'll select the color option here, and then I'm going to go with one of Canva's default color, just this light gray, to create that just kind of color effect. So now that I've changed out my colors for the different template, for this template here, now I'm going to find a photo that represents a little more of the 4th of July feel. So in the tab here, we're going to go to Photos. Go ahead and type in 4th of July. And then as a Canva Pro member, you have access to all of their photos, no additional cost required. And then you can just kind of explore photos that way. And then this is the photo that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one here. And what you'll notice is with this element that it's been made into a group, we're going to go ahead and ungroup that element. And then with this image, we'll select this image, go ahead and delete it there. And then we'll pull in our photo. And then we'll size it down here. So we are going to go ahead and undo that action here. And so one of my, I don't know, designing pet peeves is sometimes with these designs is there's no frame. So let's go ahead and go to the elements here. I'm just going to quickly add in a frame here. We're going to position that to the front. And then I will size it into that frame here. That way we get the kind of this shape, the sizing that we want for our image. And then we'll kind of move that to the side. And then we'll go back to our photos. And then when I go to drag in the photo this time, it will just go nicely into the frame there. So now we have our Instagram post. So Canva is just a great tool. It has a lot of these pre-made templates. You can create graphics quickly using these templates, and it's just if you need to create an Instagram post to promote a holiday or just a different product or different things like that. Definitely check out the templates. You can quickly customize it to your needs to create a Instagram post for your blog and business. And then once you have it finished, you like the way it looks, you can go ahead and download it by clicking on the download button here. You can select your file type. In this case, we'll just do RPNG. You can always choose to change the sizing. And then you can click just to download it. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trisha from blogherway.com, where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.